Hello geometry students, welcome back. We're going to be looking at problem number 3 on the study guide. Number 3 says find the volume of the pyramid. So this pyramid gave a lot of you a lot of hard time. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, they tell us that the length is 10. The width is 10. What is the height of this pyramid? A lot of you told me that the height was 13. I'm going to tell you that that is wrong. Before we go ahead and get started by calculating the volume, I'm going to tell you that the volume is 1/3 base times height, right? So typically, the height of the pyramid is from the tip to the bottom, right? Right here, the 13 is from the tip to one of the edges. So that quite doesn't count. So from the top, the tip of the pyramid to the bottom of the pyramid, it would be right here, right? The tip of the pyramid, the top, is called the apex. This happens to be a right pyramid. So the apex is the very tippity top of the pyramid. So when the line gets drawn from the top to the bottom, it will hit the middle of the base. If that height touches the middle of the base, then that means that this distance here, sorry, let me just draw a straight line. That distance here from the tip to the edge of the pyramid has to be half of the length. In this case, the length is 10. So this length right here on the inside from the center of the pyramid to the outside of the pyramid is 5. So now I have a right triangle that looks like this. It's 13, 5. This is my right angle here. I can use the Pythagorean theorem to solve for this missing height. I was going to write x, but you know what? Let's just keep it as an h for height. So it's going to be 13 squared minus 5 squared is equal to h squared. 169 minus 25 is equal to h squared. 144 is equal to h squared. I want to solve for h. I take the square root on both sides. H is equal to 12. That's my height. The height is 12, okay? So now I plug in my numbers into my formula, and I get that the volume is equal to 1/3. The base is going to be 10 times 10. That's the base, 10 times 10 times 12, which is equal to 1/3 times 100 times 12. I'm going to solve this side. 1/3 times 1,200, which is equal to 400 units cubed. Again, if you do not have the units cubed, you will not get any credit. That is the volume of the pyramid, okay? And that was it for this problem, okay? See you in the next problem.